Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you guys my at-home gym, so let's go ahead and get started. So here is my scale, and this is what I use to pretty much calculate how much I weigh, and it also calculates your percentage of your body fat, and everything I'm mentioning in this video will be down in the description below, so be sure to check that out if you guys see anything that you like. So these weights over here, 10-pound weights, I got these from Wally World, which if you don't know is Walmart. And yes, they're only 10 pounds, but it is quarantine right now and I couldn't find no other ones, so it is what it is. This is my yoga block. Whenever I'm doing yoga, since I'm not very flexible, it really helps me stretch a little bit more and like catch my ground pretty much if I can't actually touch the ground. So these are a good investment if you do yoga, and I got this from Walmart as well. These are my 3-pound weights that I got from Walmart. I really like to use these if I'm doing like an intense workout. These are my little waistbands, and if you guessed it, yes, you are correct. I also got these from Walmart. And these just go on your thighs. There are 2 different intensity levels. So the smaller band is higher intensity and the lower or the larger band is lower intensity. This is my mat that I use for workouts as well as yoga, and I got this from Amazon. This was fairly cheap and it is pretty thick compared to what you'll find at most stores. So I really do like this because I don't like to sit on the hard ground whenever I'm doing like exercises that involve sitting or anything like that. If you guys do like my waist trainer, you guys can check out Flex Your Fitness and order you one. It has the 2, and you guys see I need to be working out a little bit more, but it has 2 straps, and then it also zips up, so it keeps you pretty tight and helps you sweat and lose that belly fat because don't nobody got time to be having no belly fat. Like, it's about to be summer. And also, if you guys do really like my makeup, be sure to check out my Instagram at Ashane Shabree because I work my butt off, and I really need y'all to go and support me and watch my videos and like and follow. And last but definitely not least, we have the treadmill. This as well I got from Walmart. Just go to Walmart, you can get everything from Walmart. But yes, I got this from Walmart. This was also the last treadmill that they had there. And this is a Westlow. It's pretty cheap. I think this was like $300 or something. But it also has Bluetooth that connects you to an app that they have and all that. It also measures the workouts that you do, as well as having its own workouts on its app. So that is pretty cool. And I'm excited because you guys know drinking water is very essential when it comes to working out. And just to make sure I actually stay working out and stay drinking plenty of water, I went ahead and I ordered this from Amazon. Again, I will link everything down in the description, but I am so excited for this, you guys, because as you see, it lists 7 a.m., 9, 11, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And it pretty much tries to keep you on track of how much water you're drinking. So I will also be doing a video on that, so be sure to check it out. But again, you guys, this is my at-home workout. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this motivated someone to go out, buy some equipment. It only takes a couple weights. You don't even have to get a treadmill. For a minute, I was just going outside and running, so you can do that as well. Running in place, anything that involves moving around. So I hope you guys definitely start on your fitness journey, and be sure to check out my fitness journey as well. As always, I love you guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Bye, loves.